Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and if you're an OG, thank you for coming back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a start to finish install featuring LUVME. It's a short curly bob, super easy to install. The parting is already set. The wig is going to fit snug and glueless. I'm going to bond it down just to make sure that the lace melts and that my baby hair sticks and it doesn't slide around. But you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It's going to help me out so much. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games, now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe?
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening, no. You keep saying you'll change, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go, why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages.
Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo, yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows, the endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, had to go right back to it, If you ain't talking about money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, Hey, don't slip on the trip, No, 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 no. Don't slip on a drip. Don't slip on a, don't slip on a, don't slip on a, don't slip on a drip.
Okay, baby. So this one came from LUVME Hair. Let me close the door because you go, I got kids. They like to come in here and mommy, 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 and mommy, and mommy, and mommy, mama, 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 mama. So I gotta go ahead and protect my energy, protect my peace, and close this door so we can have this little chit chat about this beautiful bob we got going here. Now I'm so surprised. This was a very easy, quick install. It really didn't take much at all. I think the most effort I put into it was the fact that I did tweeze out the hairline just a little bit, and you guys can see I just did like a little plup, 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 plup here, and I just went ahead and did the baby hair. That was like the biggest step. Also, the curls were ready to go when I was done. I didn't really add any product to the ends, but you guys know I'm obsessed with my little situation when I do this and I slide it through. And since I've mastered that, you guys already know I went ahead and added that to it. I gotta comb it out. My wide tooth comb is in the girls' bathroom. Tuesday could have dropped the curl attire. Yes. My husband is booking my car, my truck, to get a new tire, which is like $600. Money, 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 money. Anyways, I'm gonna show you really quickly the packaging before I forget. I got some incense from Whole Foods. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke, but if you see smoke in here, I'm not smoking hookah, I'm not smoking weed. It is incense. I got an incense holder from Whole Foods, and then I went ahead and got a couple different flavors. I think I got one more in my drawer, but this one I'm burning is vanilla. And yeah, I just got it at Whole Foods and it smells so good. My husband says it smells like I'm trying to cover up some weed, but I ain't smoking no weed. And then this one here is Mirror, like Mirror and Tonka. So I'm gonna burn these next. This is my second of the vanilla, and it's so fire, so bomb. It reminds me of like growing up. My mom always burnt incense. But inside the box, you do get the bag was wrapped in this tissue paper. Oh my god, I gotta burn this out because it's giving hookah. It's giving 420 vibes. But anyways, it says enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair. So shout out to Helena. And then here it is dust bag with the logo. We have this right here, which is a reusable pouch with some goodies in it. And then you also have your wig caps. In the pouch, you get your wig band, go around your hairline, the edges, wrap your hair up before you get in the shower or for bedtime. And then you also get a black edge brush. Is this navy blue or black? It's black. And then you also get, and this obviously is reusable as I said and has a logo on it. And then here, this is pretty heavy. So let's figure out what this is. I guess it's a mirror. Oh yes, I was just saying I don't have a purse mirror, and this one is. So this is gold, and it has the logo in bows. You have this little piece here you pull out, and it is a mirror. Of course, on the back it does have their whole logo. It's like a mini version of the box. Super cute. I love this color on my complexion. I love the vibe. I love, 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 love the curl, the bounce, everything about it. Okay, so my camera never runs hot, and of course with the incense it ran hot, so I had to take a little bit of break, and then while taking a break the phone died. So universe, what are you trying to tell me? Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the look. Of course you guys already know I'm gonna take some cute little pictures in this one. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Description box is where it's at from here, and then from there you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos, or you can just surf and see what we got to offer here already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next video. Smooches.